If you've already started your AI smart website and SaaS agency, but you're struggling to actually get clients consistently, this is probably where you're stuck. You've got the offer, you might even have the systems built out, but when it comes to getting people to actually say yes, it feels random. And I know that because 2 years ago, I was in the exact same position. I tried things like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, YouTube automation, just different online business models, and every single time it felt like I had to start over from zero again. New strategy, new method, new thing, back to square one. But what I eventually realized is this: it's not the business model that's broken, it's how you're getting the clients. Once I figured this out with winning outreach methods that actually work and how to use them correctly, everything changed. Fast forward to now, I'm doing over 10K months with this, and it all comes down to having simple, repeatable ways to get in front of local businesses. So in this video, I'm going to break down 3 best outreach methods that are working right now, and I'm going to map it out in a way that's super easy to follow so you can start using this immediately. Let's get into it. All right, so 3 best ways to get clients and their local businesses. So number 1 is cold calling. If you don't know who I am, my name is James, and the way that I've primarily been able to get my clientele is from cold calling. I would make anywhere from 50 to 100 dials literally every single day. I don't have to do as many now just because I have an ad spend budget, so that takes care of that. But cold calling is definitely the best way to go. Number 1, because all you need is a phone and you just need computer access, or not even that. You can even do Google searches on your phone. But cold calling is definitely a powerful method, and that's pretty much how I got to where I'm at now, by building that strong foundation by just getting those dials in every single day. So number 1 with the cold calling is higher intent businesses. Number 2 is immediate conversations. Whenever you're calling a business, you get that immediate conversation with them and you're literally stopping them in their tracks, and hopefully they don't hang up on you. But if they don't, then you can have that immediate conversation with them and see how you can help them out. Now, another one is that you get a fast feedback loop. So if your pitch isn't working, if you're sending a cold email out, you don't know what was wrong with your pitch because 9 times out of 10, they're not going to respond to it. So you get a fast feedback loop and how to adjust your pitch and how to get people to say yes, which is very important. The next one is full control of the sales process. So again, whenever you're on that call with them, you can immediately tell them like, hey, let's hop on a Zoom call. And if they don't want to, try and make up some excuse to get them on the Zoom call. Like whenever you tell them that you have the sample website built and they say, oh, send it over to my email or text it over to me, just be like, hey, look, man, the link isn't live just because this is a sample site. And so what we want to do is we actually want to have a Zoom call. So that way I can meet you face to face and we can actually have this sit down conversation and see how we can help you and show you the other features that we have to offer, because we're not just a website company, we're actually a software company as well. So taking control of that sales process and getting them to go on that Zoom call instead of getting maybe just one response and never hearing back from them again. That's why this is super important. The next one, why it works. So the reason why it works is because it skips the algorithm completely. Think if you're doing some organic post, or even if you're doing Facebook ads, you're not having to rely on an algorithm to place your ad or your ad to show. You can literally just skip the algorithm. And so giving that cold call, sure, you may get yelled at sometimes, sure, you may get hung up on right away, but you're not having to deal with any algorithm. And again, another thing with this cold calling is that you're getting that instant conversation with them, so you can close them in that same day. I cannot tell you how many times this happens where I've gotten a same day close. I'm cold calling in the morning, and then literally in that same afternoon, we have a demo and they're able to close that same day. Sometimes it has been the case where I didn't even have to hop on the Zoom call. So again, that's why cold calling is so important. You're getting yourself out there. You're learning how to talk to these customers because it is very important. And then the next one is learn how to handle objections quickly. Again, think if you're doing cold SMS, which we're about to get into next, or think about if you're doing cold email, you have to think of like, oh, what can this rebuttal be? You might plug it into ChatGPT, see what it gives back to you. But with this, you have to learn the objections in literally real time. Learn how to pivot, learn how to move around the objections. And that also strengthens your sales skills for even whenever you're on the Zoom call. Because if you're avoiding those kind of interactions with those customers, potential leads that want to do business with your agency or that you're pitching to, if you're not learning these objections and actually getting yourself dialed in on the sales process, then it doesn't even matter whenever they show up to the Zoom call because you're not going to close the deal. So very important. Next one is direct access to decision makers. Now that's why I primarily target home service based businesses, because that primary phone number is the one that's located on the Google My Business page or on their trash website that they have. So you're not having to deal with calling a spa or a chiropractor and getting past some gatekeeper. You don't have to worry about any of that. And so that's why landscapers, plumbers, HVAC, all those roofers, all those different people that are in these different niches, it's very important to reach out to them, or that's why it's a good niche to have, because you get direct access to the decision makers, which is very nice. The next one, target strategy. Businesses with no website. So if I'm being honest, in my agency, if I had to say which one I close more of, it's the people with the poor website. People that at least put that first effort in and they actually had something online, but it's just not performing well. Versus someone with no website, you might come across them and they'll be like, oh, well, I've been in business for 20 years and I've never had a website. And they think they're smart by saying that. Okay, but could you handle an extra $20,000 in revenue in your business this year? 9 times out of 10, they're going to say yes. So why would you not have a website? So there's different ways around it, different ways that you can pivot it. But if I did have to say businesses with a poor website, they're typically more open to it in a way, because because like I said, they more than likely already have that budget because they're spending it somewhere with their online presence. But going back to the original point, target strategy, yes, you want to target people with either no website or a very poor one, and also with low or to no Google reviews. Now this one, the reason why I listed it like this is because you never know where the money can lie in these deals. I cannot tell you how many times I've even closed businesses with 1 to 2 stars. Now I do got to say those probably aren't the best ideal clients for once you actually gotten past that beginner stage. But whenever you're just starting out, you need to be fighting tooth and nail. This is exactly who this video is for. It's for those beginners in the agency space. So low Google reviews, something like 10 to 15, or no Google reviews is definitely a great place to start. And you can also kind of wheel and deal with those people, which is really great. Again, businesses running ads without systems. So that is someone that you can target. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen a sponsored ad and you click on it and it's an absolute garbage website with no correct systems in place. And so that's someone else that you can help as well. And the result of cold calling, I mean, this, to be honest, is the fastest way to reach your first 1 to 10K per month. So cold calling, definitely recommend it. Take everything I said here, literally write it down, take notes during this video because this is absolute free game. Scrolling down to the next one is Facebook DMs / SMS / Nextdoor. So any type of direct messaging, which I actually went over Nextdoor in this previous video, I believe, depending on the scheduling of what I did for my YouTube. But yeah, so Nextdoor is super important to use for DMs or to do cold outreach with. So we'll take a dive into that. So first one, Facebook groups, local community groups. That is very important. Join pressure washing groups, join landscaper groups, join roofer groups, and you can literally see all the members on it. And there's someone in my actual school community, in the paid school community, named George, and he is in the UK and he has scaled his agency primarily from Facebook DMs. And so if he was able to do that in the UK, I mean, we should be able to replicate that and do that in the US. You, the viewer, should be able to. And it's really a strong point. And he literally just maxes out his threshold. I even did a podcast with him on my channel if you guys want to go ahead and watch that. So the local community groups is very important. Nextdoor posts. Again, I went over this in one of my previous videos, but with Nextdoor, people are literally asking, or who do you guys recommend for HVAC service? My AC unit just went out. And tons of businesses are going to respond to that thread. And they're like, hey, I can do this for you. Here's my business card, or here's this flyer, and give us a call. So they're literally asking for business, aka they need more leads through the door. And so that's someone that you can cold call because a lot of times they don't have a website. And on Nextdoor, a super powerful point is that they are local to you, which is very nice. Now, the next one, direct outreach via DM or text. So you can DM on Facebook, you can DM on Nextdoor, or you can send a cold SMS message. The core concept is people are actively asking for services every single day on these platforms, on Nextdoor, on Facebook. So you can find these different businesses that are in need of leads or need to grow their revenue for their business, and that's where you can step in and play that role. Now, examples, looking for a landscaper on Facebook or on Nextdoor, need a plumber, best HVAC company. I'm telling you, you can literally scroll on these Facebook community groups, like People of Round Rock is one for me, People of Hutto. There's so many different cities, and I live in Texas, and there's so many different groups that you can join of people just asking for these different types of businesses that they need help, and they will commenting down below. So super important. The strategy, find posts where people are requesting services, identify businesses replying in comments, DM those businesses, and message the original poster if relevant. So do all those different things, and I can guarantee you, you will find some revenue for your agency doing this. And platforms, they're doing it correctly, but platforms, Facebook groups, Nextdoor, that's an app that you can download. Why it works, warm demand already exists. No ad spend required on either one of these, and competitors are visible and easy to identify. If you go ahead and watch that Nextdoor video, I literally found qualified leads in literally 1 minute, less than 60 seconds. And it's natural conversation starter. So imagine calling this business or sending them a DM and be like, hey, I saw your post on Nextdoor and someone was recommending you for garage spring repair. And so I just wanted to give you a call and let you know that we built you a sample website. We're local to you and we just wanted to, try and grow a local presence. Is that something you'd be interested in taking a look at? Sample website we built. You just keep on going from there. And the result is low cost, high conversion, and it's a highly overlooked channel. So use this to the best of your advantage because I'm telling you, it is absolutely great. Now let's go over here. The paid ads local landmark strategy. Now this has been a strategy that has been talked about more and more. I am the originator of it. No matter what someone says, I'm literally the one that came up with it. And so paid ads local landmark strategy, let's go ahead and get into it. Now this is Facebook ads. Now I do recommend doing Facebook ads once it makes sense for your agency. So the reason why is because you don't want to be burning your revenue whenever you're getting it if you're not in the right position to do so. You don't want to drown your head over in any type of debt or anything like that. So you just want to become cost neutral as fast as possible with your Go High Level subscription. And so keep that in mind. But anyways, first is 10 to 15 mile radius. And this is a local targeting ad. So let's pretend like you want to run it in Austin, Texas. You would just do a 10 to 15 mile radius and that's it. And then you can do this little checkbox, which I have a full training on this in my paid school community. And you just want to do where pretty much anyone that passes through the area, the ad will show it to them as well. And then you want to set the targeting to business owners. The strategy is to get, Round Rock or Austin business area owners interested in your ad to book with you. It feels hyper local and relevant. It grabs attention and quickly, it builds instant trust and improves ad performance. Because like I said, you're literally local to them and you can do a landmark behind you. Like what I did is a Round Rock water tower in my city, and people actually instantly had that trust and they were willing to go with me because they know that I'm literally located in their city. Offer structure, $97 a month, no setup fee, no contract. That is a killer offer, and that gets them an AI website, a chat widget, and a review automation. And this is why it works. Scalable lead generation, predictable pipeline, works continuously and builds long-term growth. It literally works continuously because whenever you're doing ads, it will show daytime and in the nighttime. So it's absolutely perfect. Ability to scale from one client to literally 100 plus. If you're running ads, I mean, literally the world is yours as long as you have the right offer and your creative is right. Now, combine all three of these to dominate. Cold calling creates fast cash. DMs and Nextdoor create consistent deal flow. Paid ads create scalable growth. And most people rely on one method. Top operators will use, kind of got jumbled there, all three. So I literally just give you a playbook on how to scale your agency very quickly. I've only been doing this for 2 years and now I have over 100 plus clients. And so I just gave you a complete playbook on how to scale yours. So I hope that you took notes during this and you're going to implement this into yours. And so if you want to sign up to start your own agency, use my link down below and you actually get a 30-day extended free trial. And so I'll see you in the next video.